Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Before I'm going to start this, I just wanted to give a shout out to Rattlin Ghost, who's also got an unboxing channel. So go check it out. It is in my description. You'll get the link to his channel, so also support him. So this time I'm unboxing the TB250-BTC Pro mining board. This one you can actually connect 12 graphics cards to them. So let's open this up. Let's see what's actually in the box. You would remember I already did the 6 PCI version, so this is just basically going to be the 12 one. So it's just the normal stuff that's in here, hard drives, and then let's just see how the motherboard looks like. So it's going to be the socket 1151 that you're going to use for this. So normal Pentium Celeron that you're going to use for the socket there, DDR4 RAM. Over here you can see just the normal connectors for your power, and then over here there's where the magic happens. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can connect 12 graphics cards on here. Just want to check if there's a EM.2 port here, but there's nothing here. So you can't extend this any more than the 12 that's already here unless you put an extension card in here. So usually you would have gotten here like an extra dongle where you can put in that M.2 and get an extra PCI Express port. So this one doesn't have it. Also, unfortunately, I can see no power on off switch, so you will have to actually get that as well. Here's the back. So basically straightforward. There's the connectors. Again, that connector, so you won't be able to put an old monitor on there. But all in all, nice graphics card, nice motherboard. I can't wait to be building my 12 GPU rig on there. Just turn over the box so you guys can just see what's actually on here. So there's everything that's on the board. So this isn't a gaming board like you would all know, basically just a mining board for 12 graphic cards. So yes, I'll have a video up soon, you know, where it's running the 12 cards. So yes, check out for that. Until next time guys, cheers.